Terrakis were kids and teens. Toastmaster Putatan.
Come in. Hey kid, what a surprise! Come inside, come inside. Lingam, Ramlingam, your friend Satish is here. Come down quickly. Okay, mom, I'll be there in 1.4 seconds. Satish, how are you? How are things? Are you good? Okay, okay. So, what did you do yesterday? Hmm, Yesterday, I went to a stationery shop and I returned a ruled notebook. Oh, was it damaged? Yes. There's supposed to be 10 lines in a page, but in page number 82, there are only 9 lines. So now you have a good ruled notebook? No, no, you don't trust this shopkeepers. I bought an unruled note and I drew all the lines. Okay. So Ram, you are here. We have to leave urgently. Sundarana is waiting in Nagar. So let's go. Oh, Sundarana is waiting. Okay. No, maybe we have this 50 rupees. You may need it while you follow your journey. 50 rupees? Mom, let me analyze this holistically. From here to KK Nagar, it will take 15 minutes. On the way, Satish wants to eat konais. I want to have kuchis. 10 rupees plus 7 rupees, that is 17 rupees. While returning, we will have sugar cane juice. So another 10 rupees, total 27 rupees. Satish owes me 3 rupees 50 paise. So net amount is 23 rupees 50 paise. And if I calculate other miscellaneous, right, depreciation of Satish cycle, inflation at 11 o'clock, the total amount would be 28 rupees 50 paise. But I already have 30 rupees. So I wouldn't need 1 rupees 50 paise. So you please keep it and put it in mutual funds. Mom, mutual funds are subject. Okay, Satish, let's go. Before you board my backseat, please read this my safety guidelines. Safety guidelines for cycle. Okay. In case of emergency, the rider will jump without any notice. Yeah. Make sure you sign the consent form also. Huh? Okay. Let's go. Oh, Sundarana, hi. Hi, Satish. Hi, Ram. You guys are on time. So both of you, what you need to do is you stand at the end of the street and give me a signal when she crosses. I will casually walk from this side. Who's coming? Jayanti Akka. Akka, Angel. We'll go. Today's the day. I want to tell her. Again, I hope everything goes well. Okay, here's the signal. I think she's coming. Oh no, she's with her friend. What to do? Relax, buddy. I'll distract her. You manage your job. Hey, GD, do you know how to toss a coin? Oh, you knew. Okay, I'll teach you how to toss a 10 rupees note. Okay? We'll go. Hi, Sundar. What a surprise. Hi. I know Nalagarasam, but first time I'm experiencing Navarasam this close. Sundar, you know what? Yesterday, while I was practicing Rudra dance, I was thinking about your article on Ani and its types. What? You were thinking about my article Ani on your Rudra dance? Fixed. Our second child name is Anirudh. Jayanti, I wanted to tell you something, but I don't know how to say it. So I have made a everything in this. So please read it. I wait for your reply. Sundar, why are you giving me a pen drive? Inside the pen drive there is a PPT. I have poured all my feelings. No, I have organized all my feelings in it. like it, go to the last page. There are two options. If you click yes, it will link directly to my heart. Oh, what if I click no? No. It will take you to the first slide. Then you can read again. Then you can click yes. Oh, Sundar, I'll do it. Meanwhile, I have to go to attend one puja function. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, this is the house. There's the calling bell. Auntie, Jayanti here. Oh, Jayanti, come. You are on time. We are about to start the puja. We will not start any puja without my daughter. Vijima, please come. Yeah. She's such a calm and collected girl. Sometimes, even though there is no God, we started worshipping her. Such a divine soul. Huh? Vijay, please come. Okay, mom. Mom, I'm here. Oh, good, Vijay. Vijay, can you open this paneer bottle for me? Sure, mom. Please. Mom, now I go and play outside with my other friends. Okay? See you. Oh my God, why everybody is here? Hey, Satish. Hey, Ram. Aren't you also come? We all play one game. Huh? Okay? What game we play? Okay, let's play hide and seek. What do you think, Satish? Good idea, Vijay. I'll create a handbook for hide and seek. Ram, you create a budget for the prize. Aarti, you create a ribbon. Hey, Satish, wait. It's supposed to be fun event, right? Not a process event, huh? Okay, we need members first. Okay, I know a guy in the next street. He's a North Indian, but I don't know his language. Don't worry, I know my language. Let me talk to him. Excuse me, hide and seek coming there. Okay. Good. Let me introduce you to my other fellow members. Guys, this is Subhadeep. He is from Calcutta. Hey, I am not Subhadeep. I am Shubdeep. And I am not from Calcutta. I am from Kolkata. Okay. I'm Aarti. Oh, Aarti. It is not O. It is grammatically wrong. It should be O. Oh, okay. What game we shall play? Now we have this many numbers. Let's play some. We'll create a new game. Who will ask? Okay, we'll ask Jayan. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. JD, next day, we'll toss 100 rupees note. Huh? Guys, why don't we come play a game on Saturday morning, 7 o'clock? Yeah. That way, we all have only one excuse for not attending. It's called Meraki. So that's how everyone, Meraki Advanced Toastmasters Club started. Over to you, Toastmaster.